In this problem, we're going to look at how to apply the order of operations to an expression. The first step in the order of operations is parentheses. What we can consider parentheses is this -1, -5, and the absolute value. Absolute value kind of doubles as a parentheses when we're simplifying. Now, since there's nothing to do in the -5 and the -1, we're just going to focus on this absolute value. So I'm going to rewrite this entire expression with just the one simplifying of this. Instead of writing this 6 minus 7, I'll write a -1. Now, the absolute value, we can go ahead and complete this. The absolute value of -1 is a +1. So again, I'm going to rewrite everything, except that one step I'm going to change. Now that the parentheses is done, we're going to move on to our next step, exponents. We have an exponent here, and here, and here. -5 squared is +25. 3 squared is 9. -1 to the 5th power is -1. And the reason why is because there's 5 negatives. Remember, when you have an odd number of negatives, it's going to be negative. Now that our exponents is done, let's move on to multiplication and division, left to right. So we have two multiplication problems, 3 times 5, and this right here, 4 times 1 times -1. This is going to be 15, and this will be a -4. So let's rewrite this entire expression, only making those changes. 3 times 5 is 15, 9 plus -4. Now we move on to addition and subtraction, left to right. Since we have two problems, we're going to look at these as separate. We'll do this one, and then at the very end we'll do our division. 25 minus 15 is 10. 9 plus -4 is 5. The last step is to divide. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And this is my final answer.